Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to properly use a foil shaver from NOVAH. Now one of the main things you need to realize is how foil shavers work. They're not like traditional shavers. So instead of going with the grain, you actually want to go against it so that it gets caught by the foil shaver. Now, foil shavers are very good with coarse, super short hair. They kind of struggle with fine, thin hair. So you want to get it as short and as precise as you can get it before you hit it with the foil shaver. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to prep the area. Now it's very easy for me to prep the area now that I have NOVAH's premium bundle set. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to take these clippers and get all the straggly hairs out of the way. Now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and take our trimmer and line everything up, get it exactly how we want it, and knock all that excess hair down so that the foil shaver glides over it perfectly. All right, now that I have the area prepped and ready, it's time to go in with our foil shaver. So one thing that I like to do as I'm shaving is really pull the skin, get it stretched so I can really get in there nice and deep. You can see all the areas where the trimmer really couldn't take it all the way down the way you want that nice close shave. So let's give our foil shaver a shot. And it's great when you have a foil shaver that's angled like this because you can still get those gaps like in between the mustache and things like that. Keep it really precise. Another great thing is, since the hair right here is longer, you don't have to worry about it cutting into where your line is because the hair is too long for the foil shaver to grab it. So you can literally go right over the top of it without it affecting your line at all. So with a foil shaver, like I mentioned earlier, you want to go against the grain, but your hair grows in so many different directions. I like to make sure that I hit it from as many different directions as I can. And you'll hear it when it's done cutting, because if you can still hear it cutting hairs, it's not finished shaving yet. And that's it, guys. Look at how close and clean that shave is. That's how you use a foil shaver. This one from NOVAH is amazing. I highly recommend it. You guys should go check them out.